At 9.9mm thick, this is the Acer Swift 7, the tiniest laptop in the world. This laptop is so thin and light that it weighs less than 1 kilogram. And when a device is very thin, there is a big chance that the power and performance of that device is just garbage. But it looks like the Acer Swift 7 has taken a different path. So I'll be talking about two main parts of the Acer Swift 7. The hardware, more like the physical part, the software, which are the performance and power of the laptop. But before that, by clicking the subscribe button down there, you are helping this channel, and also you will be notified when a new video is being uploaded on this channel. So then, let's get into it. Okay, firstly, the hardware. The body of this laptop is made from magnesium lithium / magnesium aluminum alloy. It has a 14-inch screen display with 92% screen to body ratio, 1080p IPS resolution and 300 nits of screen brightness. And the brightness of this laptop is pretty good. It has 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 3, could transfer data at 40 gigabits per second, has a touchscreen display, and also one of the first laptops to use the Gorilla Glass 6, a glass that could survive a drop from 1.6 meters high. It has a fingerprint sensor mounted on the power button with a hidden 720 webcam camera for privacy. And this is the video recorded from the 720p camera.
This is shot on the webcam, you can probably tell by the angle.
Also, the speaker is normal but not so good. And then the software. This laptop came with the 8th gen Intel i7 processor, 1.5 GHz of processor-based frequency, 3.9 GHz of max turbo frequency, and with 16 gigs of RAM, which is, in terms of fastness, this laptop is not the great but pretty good. 512 GB of SSD storage. In terms of battery, it has 2770 mAh of lithium polymer battery, could last 7 hours of light use, take 3 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%, and this laptop is sold for $1,640. But don't get me wrong, this isn't one of the best laptops now. There are some laptops that are less than $1,600 which are pretty great, like the Dell G7 15 gaming laptop with 32 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, but sold for $1,549.99. And also Asus ROG Zephyrus 14 gaming laptop with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, and sold for $1,499.99. But the Acer Swift 7 is a pretty good laptop and is made to be simple, slim, and underweight laptop you could carry along. That's it about the Acer Swift 7. Please subscribe button down there for more tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.